Welcome everyone to Vested Interests. This is Shane. I hope you had a great weekend. We are back for another week. It's a Monday. I don't like Mondays particularly. Hopefully you had a good Monday. It is January the 27th. We're also wrapping up another month. So here, probably towards the end of the week, Friday, hopefully, I'll get a video out on stocks to watch for July. As we enter in July, can't believe it's already half the year is gone. The time is flying by. So let's take a look at this particular video. It's stock pick of the day. We're going to cover Target. Let's get right into the video. So as we said, Target is a general merchandise retailer with stores in all 50 states and the District of Columbia. 75% of the U.S. population lives within 10 miles of a Target store. I'm not going to read all of this, but you can take, if you want to know more information about Targets, I'm sure you all know what Target is, probably have shopped there. If not, it's one place that I shop. You can take a look at their homepage, corporate.target.com. Some of the other ones I like, $93.6 billion in total revenue for 2020, 1,934 stores, 51 supply chains, 28 office locations. They are headquarters in Minneapolis, Minnesota, and they have been around, I think it said 1962. Did I not get that portion? But they've been around since the 60s. Unknown caller. Sorry about that. So it gives you an idea. They have been around for a while. They have increased their capacity. So that's what we're looking for. Companies that are increasing their revenue, increasing stores, increasing their footprint. This is another one that I really like. 5% of our profits go back into the communities. So they are active into the communities where their stores are located. And as of the close of business on June 27th, again, it's Monday, Target, ticker TGT, closed at $149.69. They were down on the day, 0.49, so not extremely down, but they have been significantly dropping down over the last couple of weeks. As you can see here, the 52-week range, they have been as low as $138.58 and as high as $268.98. So to be currently at $149.69, definitely closer to that 52-week range and much lower than their 52-week high. They do have a market cap of $69.411 billion, a beta of 0.97. Basically, they're as volatile as the overall market, and you can see that here on this daily chart. Right, as low as about 148, it looks like, as high as about 151. So definitely working the ranges and is volatile stock. A PE ratio of 12.38, which is lower than the overall market. They have a forward dividend of $4.32 paid out quarterly. That's the payment on the year, so divide 4.32 by 4, and that'll tell you what its quarterly payments are. Its yield is 2.87, so pretty nice yield. It's definitely better than the overall market. Ex-dividend date, the last one, August 16th. Actually, they've had one since their next ex-dividend date is August 16th, 2022. And according to Yahoo Finance, where I pulled this information, again, not affiliated with Yahoo Finance, just where I like to look for some information, they have a one-year target estimate of $188.62. And if you were to pull up Yahoo Finance and wanted to know some more about this, I'd go into the financials, look at their free cash flow, look at their debt, look at their equity, look at their margins. I'd also look at their statistics. You can find out their 5-year, averages as well. So those are some areas. If you were to pull up Target and look through here, those are the areas I would look at. So let's look at what some others have to say. According to stockanalysis.com, another area that I like to look at, again, you could do the same thing here. If you pulled this up for Target, go in and look at their financials, look at some of their statistics, and what we'll look at here is their forecast. According to the 38 stock analysis that I've taken a look at, they call it a consensus buy. They have a low estimate of $149.48, so just slightly lower than where it currently sits. They have an average target of 192, or median target 192. It was 188 to 192.39. If it hit the 192.39, that would be a 28.58% increase in stock price from where it currently sits. And they have a high back up towards its all-time high. They're saying $294, and that would be a 96.48% increase. And you would be getting that while you wait for it to get back up to this high. You'd be collecting that dividend yield. So target is one I am watching. I actually would like it to drop a little bit lower back into that 130, maybe even below that range. That would be ideal in my opinion. If we could get it below 140 into the 130 range, I'd probably be more interested, but it is on my watch list. It is one that I am significantly following and hoping that it continues to drop so I can add it. Well, these are quick hitters, guys, so that's it for this one. Keep an eye out for the rest of the videos I put out this week. As always, appreciate you stopping by. If you haven't done so already, don't forget to show me some love. Hit the thumbs up, ring the notification bell, subscribe to the channel, drop a comment down below. Let me know what you think of Target. You guys shop there? Is it one that's in your portfolio? What do you think about where it currently sits? Is it one you're adding? Is it one you're watching? Is it one you're avoiding? Again, it is one that I am adding or want to add whenever it hits fair value. So it's on my watch list currently. And this is Shane signing off, wishing peace and prosperity to you and yours. And remember, financial security comes to those who take a vested interest. Hey, we'll see you in the next one. Hope you guys have a great day. I'm not a financial advisor. Nothing in this presentation should be considered financial advice. I am only sharing my opinion and investing journey for educational and entertainment purposes. Investing involves risk. You can lose money and should never invest any amount you're not comfortable losing. Always do your own research and invest based on your situation, circumstances, and select criteria, or seek the advice and counsel of a certified financial advisor.